Fixing a sinking foundation without breaking the bank or risking more damage is totally doable if you know what to ask for and who to trust. Alright, so first up, always get a structural engineer involved before any foundation work starts because they actually understand the building and won't just try to sell you pricey repairs. When you're getting quotes, make sure they're based on a detailed inspection and not just rough guesses. This saves you from getting overcharged or doing unnecessary work. Don't settle for one or two quotes. Shop around until you find someone who explains things clearly and offers a fair price. Ask about the difference between stabilizing the foundation versus lifting it, because lifting even a little can mess up your roof, plumbing, or HVAC. If the engineer's report costs feel sky high, try to negotiate or find someone local with reasonable rates around $150 per hour, not thousands for a simple inspection and report. Also, know that a geotechnical engineer might not be needed unless soil issues are suspected. Structural engineers can usually handle the fix plan. Stabilizing with helical piers is often cheaper and less risky than full lifting, so consider that route if your house isn't too badly damaged. Lastly, keep in mind that deferred repairs add up, so factor in future fixes when budgeting your foundation work. One of the biggest mistakes homeowners make with foundation repair is skipping the structural engineer and just trusting contractors who push expensive pier installations that can lead to unnecessary work or overpaying. Fix that by insisting on an unbiased engineer's evaluation first. Another common issue is ignoring the risk of damage from lifting the house. Even lifting it just 1 inch can crack drywall or mess with plumbing, so stabilizing is often safer and cheaper. Talk to your engineer about this. The third problem is paying way too much for inspection reports. Some places charge $2,000 to $3,000 when a thorough report should be closer to $1,500 or less, so keep shopping around and don't accept the first high price. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners like you find trusted local contractors who won't upsell or push unnecessary repairs. It also helps contractors connect with real clients who need honest, quality work done without all the stress.